Hello friends, this is Vikas. Welcome to the second lecture of HTML, and in this lecture I am just going to discuss you about editor. So just dive into the lecture. In this lecture we are just going to discuss about the editors especially. This is a brief lecture, so watch carefully. Like in this lecture we are normally going to discuss about the Notepad and text editor. A Notepad is for the Windows users, those who use the laptops and having operating system, Windows operating system. They can go with the Notepad, and those who are using Apple Mac, they can use text editor as well. In the market there are different kinds of text editors are available, but for the learning purpose, Notepad that I recommend you should go with. So let's check out how we can open a Notepad into your HTML. Okay, so there are the much more professional HTML editors are available in the market, as I already told you. Okay, so Notepad is the best one for the learning purpose, and this is a simple and because in the advanced professional HTML editors much more helps you get from the softwares and the plugins which is added into that. But if you are on the learning phase, I would recommend go with the Notepad because this is simple and easy to use as well. So let's move forward. So what what we are going to just see that steps to create a open a Notepad in your PC. If you are using Windows 8 or much higher version of that, higher version with the 8 or earlier, then for on the Windows higher version than the 8, they can open Notepad through just click just go at the bottom and just nearby, just click on, first of all you can click on the start, and then after you will see a search icon, and over there you can type for the Notepad and search for that even. And in the earlier version of like Windows 7, over there you can or earlier than that, over there you can go on the start button, then program and accessories, and the Notepad. This is the very easy step that you can go with to open a Notepad. Now we are going to see text editor. This is as equal as Notepad, but for the Mac users. You just open the Finder and over the application, and then choose your text editor. Okay, and actually in the text editor you can also you can set your preference as well, or for in the under the preference option you can choose format and then plain text. That's all, and this is the way to open the editors. And what are the main role of these editors? These editors will help you to write your HTML tags and codes on your laptop. Okay, so whatever the programming, whatever the markup language you are going to learn, you will apply all those things on these editors, and you can check your that. Okay, and one more thing, okay, we will discuss a little later. So here are the some HTMLs, basic structure of HTML. Let's see, like yes, like basic HTML structure, that we have a main tag that is HTML, and under that body, head tag, paragraph, and all and all. So this is the basic structure, and over the HTML tag there is a doc type HTML tag. Um, that's just for to say the browser that to say the browser that you are coding under HTML5, right? Okay, so let's move forward further. Now step 3. Step 3 is what? And that after opening means after opening, the step 1 was to start your notepad. Step 2 was to write down the structure for your HTML programming, and the step 3 is to, how to save that page. Because if you by default, if you save your page, and that will accept as a text document, but while at the time of saving, you have to change that the file extension basically. Okay, so you can name it, and after the name of file, you just put the extension .html or .htm. This is a preferable extension for the HTML page. Just see one a picture, like yes, I got that. So just click on the save, means after writing that programming code, you can move your cursor on the file, and then you just select save as option, and under that you just under the block of file name. Okay, you can write the name of file and then .htm or .html. These both are the preferable extension. And you at the that right side means left side of the save button, you can see encoding UTF-8. You should also check that. You should keep set your encoding, and that UTF-8 should be there. Okay, and after that just click on save button. Okay, so after saving the file, you will get the HTML extension file, and through this extension the browsers understand. So this file is for HTML only. Okay, now just move to step 4. Step 4 is to view your page on your browser. So view on that the file that you have saved on your computer. Means there are the different ways that you can open that file on your browser. The first and easy is that after saving that file into the HTML extension, it might change into a browser logo. Okay, or the other step is that you can right click on that, and there would be an options available, open with. Just click on open with and choose your browser. So whatever the browser that you are going to open with, or in the many cases, you by default it gets converted into a HTML file, and if you double click on that file, automatically that file will redirect into your browser, and it will start. And if this process doesn't work, then you can go with the first one that I've already mentioned. So this is the view, like the whatever we have typed. So this is the view just after typing all. And the simple structure means this is just a basic structure of the page, how it looks. So that's all, and thanks for watching my lecture. Just be tuned, and just watch your next lecture. Thank you. Have a good day.